Once upon a time, it was a cold night in Memphis, Tennessee.
Hey, boy, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Hold on, God, you did go.
Said we on some mob shit. See, I been getting pussy from a sanctified bitch. See, I been getting money on some ride the bank shit. See, I been copping J's like they going out of business. Ho, you can catch a fade, give a fuck boy the business. Ballin' like I'm Jordan, show the ring like Scottie Pippen. Been that chopper, got a scope, hit his eye from long distance. That she looking bad, got your bitch on my wish list. Ryan with that 40 and that bitch ain't got no holster on it. I'm the people's champion, you niggas looking like jabronis. Watching 50 Cent, it's get rich or you die trying. Beefing with me, nigga, that's easy to get them shots fired. Boy, they call me king, my son treat me just like Mufasa. Do it with no hands. I said that before.
Got everything in. Put my horseshoes on. These horseshoes. I'm just loving hating. Got the wood man over there.
J Money.
Mods&Muscle shit. We ballin', bitch. We go hella fast. Started from the bottom like Drizzy. Now we got hella fast.
But I left my fucking main seal, so I gotta run to the house with the video because real quick. We'll be back. But she is ready. Do Mods&Muscle TV. We is back with a fucking another one. And I am on my work clothes, so came straight to the shop so I can get working on cat out. The return is needed. So we got the crane. Know what I'm saying? Got the crane ready from the dropper. So I am just dropping her. Know what I'm saying? So yeah, we just gonna drop it today, and I'm gonna come back later on this week, get everything bolted and tight. Hey, we got my boy in the motherfucking building, boy. What you been up to, bro?
I ain't working.
Original, boy. Original, boy. What you been up to, though, man?
I ain't shit. Working, making money, living life, maintaining. That's all you can do.
That what's up, man. That boy got this thing back. Got this thing back, boy. Guess the pan will be alright. You think we safe?
Ninja style.
You think we safe? We gonna redo it. That's why I ain't took this out yet. I've been waiting. We find one with a nut.
We had a nut, goddamn. I feel good.
Good with the nut, goddamn.
A little bit better.
We gonna twist it out.
I just hate for anything.
I already know.
You more the heavy.
There you go.
You gonna need that rubber.
The rubber jump.
It's in the, you know, it's in the third drawer, but it's in the five.
Alright, y'all. So we took the main seal out, and my dumbass put the same exact one back in there. So now we got the new one in. It's for sure the new. See, I know niggas sick of this Mods&Muscle shit.
Yeah, I already know that. But see, there's motherfuckers across the world who don't know shit about what we got going on. So it's my motherfucking job to show them what the fuck we doing with these cars. What the fuck we doing in these city streets. When them young niggas pull up 100 deep and block the intersection just to spend them motherfuckers. When a motherfucker spend 100 grand on a car just to leave the lot and get gapped by a nigga that built his with 30K. Running from the police, dodging the police. See, that's that street life shit. See, I ain't inventing none of this shit, but I'm damn sure gonna push it. I don't give a fuck if you a rapper or a trapper. Come to where I be, you gon' need a gapper. I am the motherfucking street type. Transmission is loaded up, and she is on the final little drip drop down, and we is good to go. You see that motor mount right there. Ooh, fingers. And it is a wrap. She is back in. I'm gonna get this knot out this chain. 1 second. Can I see that motor mount? Let me see if I can throw a little light down there. Y'all see it right there. She is in there. Oh, she looking good. Little spritz of gold, you know. Little gold dust for you. Little gold dust for you, niggas. She is in. So we gonna do the man of dance. That we gonna win with this motherfucker. Some money. We gonna win some monies with this motherfucker. So, I'm on the episode, you know what I'm saying? Rocking with the kid. Like, subscribe, keep up with everything we got going. Put a nip on my black right there. You know, it's cool though. Y'all keep up with content, you know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe. We may be cranking her up on the next video. We shall see. So, I get a chance. I would've got all this done, y'all. We could've had this done in like 2 days. A day, really. I could've had the motor assembled like in a day, but I ain't rushed, you know what I'm saying? And plus I've been like working, you know what I'm saying? So like when I get off from work, I head on over to the shop, try to go ahead, knock out what I can for the day, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not mad at all with the time or whatever. So we finna jump, and man, jump into my night, you know what I'm saying? So like, subscribe, I keep up with it, and we out of here.